Waste no time in getting the washing done and carry on with the rest of your day with less time spent waiting for this Beko washing machine. It can speed things up when you're in a hurry, giving you quick cleaning in no time with the Quick program. It washes a full 9 kilogram load in just 28 minutes, which is perfect if you need something ready to wear the same day. There's no need to worry about stains, with effective removal of 24 different types from the impressive StainExpert program. You can power through washing when you're really in a rush with the option to wash a small 2 kilogram load in just 14 minutes with fast wash for small load.